All right, so now that we've talked about what an account is, let's talk about what a T account is. This is actually a representation of the account. And so a T account represents a ledger account, one of the things that we talked about, assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, or expense, and it is used to show the effects of a transaction. It tells us where, if they're going up in this transaction, if they go down in this transaction, it keeps up with that. And so this is what a T account would look like. Okay, one, it looks like the capital letter T. Again, we're real creative with our names, but there's our T. Across the top is where the account name goes. So if you're dealing with cash, then that would go there. Accounts receivable, that would go there. Accounts payable, there. Common stock, there. Retained earnings, there. All the names go up at the top, and each individual account has their own T table. So it's not like we do one for assets. We do one for each asset. Okay, and then we have two sides. Now on the left side of the T table, under the account name, that's what we call the debit side. Why they call it DR, not sure, but that's what they go with if they're abbreviating it. The debit side, again, is the left side. The right side is what we call credit, or abbreviated CR. That makes more sense. Okay. Now, it is very important for you to understand, at its basis, debit simply means left side. Credit simply means right side. It doesn't mean plus or minus. It doesn't mean anything that we think of the way we do with our banks and stuff like that, because each account, they mean something different. So right now, all you need to know is debits is left and credits is right. That's it. Nothing more. Okay. The difference between the two sides, or the difference between the total debits and the total credits, is what we call our account balance. And this also includes the beginning balance. And also, too, when you do your account balance, the balance itself should go on what's called the normal side. I'll talk about what the normal side is later on. But just know the account balance, when they ask for it, is you add up all the debits, you add up all the credits, and you subtract the two. That's a T table. Thank you.